Over 200 Jamaicans have lost their lives to the COVID-19 virus. Of that number, the majority has been persons with comorbidities and the elderly. News broke recently of clusters of cases among our most vulnerable locations, namely our infirmaries and Golden Age homes. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton addressed this issue on Tuesday as he spoke from the House of Representatives. Our reporter Marlon Samuels was in Parliament and filed this report.
According to Minister Tufton, a number of residents and staff of several care facilities have tested positive for COVID-19. 16 staff and 20 residents of a facility operated by the Mustard Seed community in St. Catherine were found to be positive.
We now report that all 32 positives have recovered and released from isolation.
Also, there were 87 positive cases, including 65 residents and 22 staff members at the Golden Age home in Kingston. They are reportedly stable and asymptomatic. On November 1, 125 staff and residents at a facility run by the Missionaries of the Poor were tested positive for COVID-19. 74 returned positive results.
The health team has also collected some 358 samples from 7 facilities operated by Missionaries of the Poor, including of its 358 samples, Madam Speaker, at 7 facilities. From the testing of those samples, 88 have been found to be positive, while 220 were negative, and we are awaiting the outcome of another 50. The Ministry, Madam Speaker, colleagues have since engaged the Missionaries of the Poor to put in place a range of measures to slow transmission at the facility, including adhering to the previous recommendations of no one in, no one out, strict adherence to the no visitor policy, having the dedicated staff and equipment for the different clusters at the facility, and ensuring adequate supply of personal protective equipment.
As the country continues to rack up new cases of the virus, health authorities will be keeping a close eye on this vulnerable population. According to Dr. Tufton, the watchword is prevention as we seek to protect our seniors. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Marlon Samuels.